What's up guys, Steve from Exclusive Wraps here, back again for another weekly wrapped up video. You've probably already seen I'm standing next to the first Spyder RS in Queensland. So if you want to come for a little walk with me, we'll go for a tour around the car. This is a paint to sample color, I'm told, peridot or peridot, which is like a greeny, yellowy, kind of like a lemon lime color. It has a nice metallic in it as well. It is YSAC optioned as well, so it has carbon all over the place. You can see on the top of the you know what, I don't know what to call that cover, but up the back, your side vents, the exposed carbon on the bonnet as well, and the mirror backs. This is a really cool spec indeed. So any of you Porsche fans, I'm sure you're going to want to see more of this one. This one came in for pretty much the works. So it's getting full gloss paint protection film package, ceramic coating over the full body. Also, the convertible top. I don't want to call it a convertible top, but it doesn't really convert. It kind of converts, but you have to get out of the car and actually pull it off the car, which is an interesting concept to me. So if you're driving and it's raining, you might be in a little bit of trouble. Anyway, coating on the fabric top as well, which is over there. We'll show you that in a minute. It's getting the wheels ceramic coated as well. And I've forgotten what the last, and window tint, of course, window tint. We're in Queensland, so it's got window tint. I think we've already done that actually, so it's just waiting on the rest. But that's a quick look at the Spyder RS. If we move on down the shop, next to me I have a new Defender 110. This is the first brown one we've had. We've had a lot of grey ones, we've had a couple of black ones. This is the first in the metallic brown, which is a pretty cool color. This one has come to us to have, again, of course, XPEL paint protection film. We are doing a full front end package, as well as the full sides of the vehicle. So basically everything from the front to here, all gloss clear paint protection film. So if the owner takes it off road through a bit of bush and stuff like that, they're not going to get any pinstripes and ugly marks on it. That is about all that we're doing for that one. If we move along, let's do a 180. The 3RS, this one has now had a paint correction. We've removed the old carbon wrap, we've removed the old PPF as well. It had some very old paint protection film on the front that looks like it had taken a lot of hits and has done a great job of protecting the vehicle, which is good to see. So we've removed all of that. It has had a single stage paint correction, which surprisingly has removed, let's say 85–90% of the imperfections in the car. So it looks a lot closer to brand new than it did before. And it's a very low-K, let me try again. What's the word I'm looking for? A very low-K example. It's a very low-K example of a 3RS of this generation, so that's really cool. Let's move on down the line. We have a beautiful bright orange Huracan Evo all-wheel drive Spyder. So this one is going up for sale at Lamborghini Brisbane. So it is getting a little refresh on the PPF. Some of the front panels are getting replaced. So it's going to look beautiful, sparkling and new, and it will be going back to them to be for sale. So if you're in the market for a Huracan in a beautiful color, this one's going to be available. Moving down the line, the MX-5 you'd have seen last week. This is almost complete. 1 or 2 pieces of film to go back on and ceramic coating. And then it's done in that beautiful Sol red. So you can see it's all clean and sparkling right now. Its color really pops. All right, let's move down to my left. This one you also would have seen last week, only when you did see it, it was gloss, all gloss. It has now had a full XPEL stealth conversion. Hopefully some of you were counting how many times I said that in the last video. We're gonna see a few of those as we continue along down the line here, but this one is now complete. So it's got its stealth conversion, gloss PPF on the gloss black trims, interior fabric ceramic coating and window tint. Yep, so that's this one. Just needs the badges to go back on, bit of a clean, and she'll be good to go very shortly. To my right, can't remember if this was in our last video. This is a 911 Turbo S, brand new one from down the Gold Coast, I believe. So this one is in for pretty much full service package. Paint protection film, window tint, ceramic coating as well. So it's, I want to say maybe 2/3 of the way through getting the film applied. And then obviously the coating can be applied after that. This one's actually a great spec. The owner has had all of the usually matte black raw plastic trims painted in a high gloss black. So you can see the side skirts, bottoms of the mirrors, the rear vents, the rear lower bumper, and the same on the front, all painted in gloss black. So that's all getting protected as well. Looks really nice. To my left, GLC 63S. We actually PPF'd a little while back, I think maybe a year and a bit ago. It had a bit of damage and we've replaced the PPF on, I want to say maybe half the car. So it's looking pretty much brand new again, but this one got a full gloss paint protection film package. So it's all back to reset, back to the way it was, looking schmick as before. Which way should we go? We'll go to my left. Another gloss black car. So this Defender, this is a Defender 130. This is the first 130 we've had in, which if you know anything about Defenders, I didn't until we started talking to a few more Defender clients. This is just a little bit longer in the back than the 110s, but other than that, the rest of the vehicle's pretty much the same moving forward. So this one is in for full paint protection film package. It's getting stealth on all the panels that would normally be your body color. So if you look back to the brown car, maybe we can chuck a photo up for you. You can see all the areas that are brown on this car. They are going stealth on the black car. And all the parts that are just a gloss black plastic with no metallic are going to stay in the gloss finish. So this one's getting PPF, ceramic coating, window tint, you name it, the works. This will look a lot different in the next video, so make sure you tune in for week 3. To my right, this one, the M3 Touring, was not even started, I think, in the last video. It is now fully protected with our satin paint protection film to protect that frozen paint. It's been ceramic coated, windows have been tinted, all complete. I believe it is getting picked up tomorrow, so it is all done, looking good. And lastly, the last car that we have here today just arrived. Whoop, cut. Oh, my staff were calling me ugly, that's lovely. Oh, so the last car down the line is this gorgeous new GT3 RS. So this one, again, this one's in for the works as well. So full XPEL paint protection film kit, remaining gloss. It's getting ceramic coating, window tint, interior coating, and wheel coating. Everything. All the things that you need when you want to protect your brand new car. Looking around, I can't see anything else I need to show you this week. Okay, that about wraps it up for this week. Let's start again. All right guys, that about wraps it up for this week. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you'd like to see more of. If you want to see, we've done a Q&A, so let us know if you want some more Q&A stuff. Drop some questions in the comment sections, or if you want some more features. We're going to do some very cool cars coming up, so we'll try and include some vehicle-specific feature videos for you as well. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.